what's up, guys? The lady told us that she knows where the #1 spots in Amala, #1 spots for Amala in Abeokuta. So we're gonna go check it out. So that's where we're going. Let's see what it tastes like, what it's like. We're gonna find out. Alright, looks like we're here. Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. I'm a Nigerian American that currently vlogs about Nigeria. Right now, I am in Abeokuta, the city of the Olumara. Mayo, 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 But anyways, I met this lady and I told her, I want you to take me to the #1 Amala spot in Abeokuta so I can compare. So she brought me to this place called Palakka, whatever it's called. So I already saw some guys pounding yam with the stick, and I was like, this is exactly where I need to be. So this is the spot. We're going to the swallow point. You guys see? Check this out. That's cool. Okay. And you guys have seen the Amala. It's crowded. Oh yeah, let's go sit. Come on, let's go. Look at how crowded it is, guys. I want to give you guys a tour of my food, but before I start eating, I need to go wash my hands. Come with me. Ooh, it's hot. Anyways, guys, so let me show you guys what I ordered. So my whole plate is 3,000 naira. Things are getting expensive in Nigeria because of the inflation rate. So let me give you guys a tour of the meat. This looks like this looks like cow feet. And then I got some fish. Yeah, we're doing it. Look at that, guys. And then I got goat meat. Let me show you guys the sauce. Oh! Wow! The ewedu is fantastic. So far. Well, let's try it. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know it's noisy here. Let's open this up. So the first test is the Amala, and then before we dive into the soup. Okay, no chunks. That's the first test. Oh, they were not skimpy on the ewedu like the Bayo place. Look at that. Oh. It's amazing. Wow, let me just show you guys. Oh. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna wait to tell you guys my opinion, but so far this is amazing. Oh man, this is woo. Okay. The ewedu is sweet. Okay. So the amala, I think the amala is way better than Lagos. Not quite as smooth as Ibadan, but it's pretty close. So I'll give the amala like a 9.5. The Ibadan's was like a 10. Let's see the Ogun, the goat's meat. The meat, Ogun, I'll give it like an 8.59. It's perfect. It's almost perfect. So I got cow feet. It's like a gelatinous part of the cow. I hope it's tender. Oh. Okay. Let me try the fish. Okay guys, it's time for my grading. If I had to pick between, I think Abeokuta might be #1. It's like, it's a strong tie. The amala was perfect in Ibadan, but the ewedu and the gbegiri and the sauce and the meat, I think it's better than Ibadan's. So guys, if you're ever in Abeokuta, I highly recommend that you check out Palakka restaurant. Alright guys, I need to show you guys how pounded yam is made. First they boil the yam and then they pound it. Look at this. So this is the yams and then this guy's pound it over there. Yeah. Shemole, what are you pounding? I need to go in the rhythm, so I need to go down as it's going up. I can tell the intensity is getting harder. It's getting stuck when you go underneath, so I actually have to pull it out. I think he's using his fork. So I have to pull it and look like that. That's it. Yeah, why is here? Let me make sure my sweat is not going. Oh, I see. So when he pounds it, he turns it and pulls it up. Okay, shut it ready, sir. It's going harder. Ooh, I can see it coming together, man. Ooh, it's hard work. They're making fun of me. People have to eat. Okay. So how long am I showing for right? Okay. I try my best. Check on my chalet, man. So I need me on the first of it. And you need first, Jamila. She's saying girls do this better than me. You do it every day. Let me see you do it now. Okay. Women are so strong anyway. She said I'm so weak. Wow. I can tell she's a pro. So she goes higher. As a technique. So they're laughing at me. They're saying, look at how I'm sweating. We'll try now, man. We'll try. Oh, we'll try, man. It's my first time. That's you. Alright, you guys, look at all of this stuff, guys. This is the ewedu. And this is like fresh tomatoes, fresh plantains, fresh everything that they use here. You guys see that empty dish over there? How is it, bros? Guys, look at this. Do you guys know what the sign of that is? That is the sign of greatness. How is it sound? Oh, it's good. All right. I'm just over here trying to embarrass them. They killed it. How would you rate this place? Bayo?
Okay, I would give Ibadan a 10.
Okay.
And then I would give this place an 8.
An 8. What about Lagos?
9.
So Ibadan 10, this place an 8. Lagos a 9. Wow, it's almost opposite of what I graded it. Okay, he's from Akwa Ibom, so he doesn't know what. My meal in general was 3,000. I think this was 1,002. This was 500. I think this one was 500 or 700. And then the Amala was 200 naira each. So my whole meal was roughly $6 to $7. But in the US, if I ordered this, I'm sure it would be at least $30 easy, especially with all this meat. Anyways, thanks for joining me on another foodie episode of Nigeria. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I like showing you guys the spot. So if you ever come to Abeokuta, look this place up. It's called Palakka. Check them out. It's crowded, but the food is amazing. Typically, anywhere that's crowded, that's usually a good sign anyways. All right, guys. And lastly, remember to rise and let your light shine. Peace.